If you're experiencing a billing hold on your PlayStation account, it can prevent you from making purchases or accessing certain features. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment information. Log into your PlayStation account and navigate to the payment settings. Ensure that all your payment details, including credit card information and billing address, are accurate and up to date. Step 2. Clear outstanding balances. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the .com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Verify your account status. Check if your account is in good standing. Sometimes holds can be placed due to account issues. Look for any notifications or messages from PlayStation regarding your account status. Step 4. Contact PlayStation support. If the hold persists, reach out to PlayStation support for assistance. They can provide specific details about the hold and guide you through the resolution process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, wait for confirmation from PlayStation that the hold has been lifted. This may take some time, so be patient and check your email for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to remove billing holds on your PlayStation account quickly. If the issue continues, consider seeking further assistance from customer support.